Most people want the finer things in life. That equates to cars, relationships, and a fun life of doing whatever you want. The problem is most people never get all they want because they won't push themselves financially to go do what they want. This channel, me and you will learn how to basically become financially stable to celebrate the finer things in life after putting in the work. I'm not a get rich quick scheme type of guy, but if you want to learn to get rich with me, then welcome to this family.